Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a quick update, all right? A little quick update on my portfolio today. So I've actually been working a lot more. I am really trying to add more funds into the portfolio. I want to get my buying power up as high as possible, just in case if there's a correction. Many people are starting to talk about a market crash. So, and also believe that if the more the markets start to go up, the more cautious we should be and the less we should be buying and the more we should be holding and stacking up our cash and be ready for little drops in the market. Like today there was a big drop in the market. As you can see, most stocks have that little sharp drop right here in the beginning of the trading day. You see that with almost every stock that I have. Every single stock had a little down day, and it started slowly recovering at the end of the trading day. But yeah, I couldn't recover all the way back up to the top. But let's just say if that didn't happen, I probably would have ended the day up to above $32,000, which would have been an all-time high for my account. For the highest we've been so far is $31,000, and that was just the other day. And today we're back down to $30,655. Down about 1.95%, but that's okay. That's just okay. But let me know if you guys actually buy anything. I think it was a good time to buy some stocks, especially Neo. In my opinion, in my honest opinion, buying Neo under 70 bucks is the way. Like, and then as soon as it keeps going up, because I believe Neo can go up to 200, anything below 70 would be a 3x game in the long term. So that's kind of my buying once I get add some funds, or if there's more dips, I'll try to buy some, but it would have to be a significant dip. I would only really want to buy Neo if it drops down to 45 bucks right now, just because I don't have any cash. But let's just say if I did have cash, then it would have to drop a little bit more for me to buy some. But since I don't have that much cash right now, I'm just holding. I'm just holding. I'm starting to work more. I'm trying to work more to get some more capital because I need to get some more capital, get ready for any corrections just in case. And the main reason why my portfolio is down is just my two biggest holdings are down, especially Aphria. Aphria is down 7%. Aphria has been going crazy, so I was expecting Aphria to start going back down, getting back to reality, and it's finally starting to do so. It's down 7% today. I think it was a good opportunity to buy if you haven't jumped in any cannabis plays. If you haven't jumped into any cannabis plays, I think Aphria was a good one to get in. I think Aphria long term can maybe even this year it can go to $20 depending on any news of legalization in the United States. If there's any news, I bet you anything that Aphria is gonna jump up on just news by itself. And they did pretty good on their earnings. They're doing well. They're growing fast. And Aphria and the Tilray merger they're gonna be one of the biggest companies out there. I'm saying. But other than that, most of my portfolio has been decent. These two my biggest holdings were down a lot today. Let me know if you bought anything today. I know there's been a lot of craziness in the market, especially with GameStop. I know GameStop was up a tremendous amount today. Let me know if you actually did this. I'm not much of a swinger, but if I was doing this, probably would have bought it. Not today, but before. I don't think it's gonna go up as much. But look at that. Look at this gain in this one. Up up to 144, up to almost 160. Basically dropped 50% from its highs. And now I'm hearing the next play is what is it? BlackBerry? I started hearing that BlackBerry is starting to do some moves now. So pay attention to this one. This one might be a one that you would want to pay attention to if you're trying to trade it. Me, I'm not really interested in these ones. I'm more of a long-term one. But yeah, let me know if you actually made any money from the GameStop or the BlackBerry moves. I know Wall Street bets are going crazy over there. But yeah, just a little update today. Oh, and look at that. Beyond Meat went up 12.8%. Wow, this one's doing pretty well. I'm up 23% on this one. Small position. Doesn't matter. And yeah, if it wasn't for my two holding being down like the most out of everything, then I think my account would be well over $32,000. I was happy to finally hit over 32,000 today for the first time. And we were getting closer. We were getting closer to that 33,000 too. So yeah, best believe I'm going to start working way more. I'm going to try to add at least $100 to $200 per week, at least. That's the goal. If I can add $200 per week, that would be amazing. It'll really put my portfolio up to 50,000 faster. And once there's little red days, you buy when there's red days. That's the best time to buy. And if there is a correction or a crash, I'm gonna hopefully be ready for it Hopefully, it doesn't happen in the next month or two, so I can stack my cash up. But if it does, whew, I'm gonna have to. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do to make money. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do. But I'm good. I'm happy that we're up over 30K and we were staying, even though today was a pretty bad red day for me. Even at the worst point, I was down 7%. Let me know how you guys did today in the market. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another update.